Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I will be showing you guys how to use the brake hold function on a 2020 Acura Tlx. So before we begin, in order to use the brake hold function, you must first have your seatbelt on, and then to activate the brake hold, just hold it for 2 seconds and it should activate right here. And to turn it off, it would be the same thing. Hold it for 2 seconds and it will turn off. And basically what the brake hold function does is if you come into a traffic stop or something similar to that, and you press the brake, what it would do is it will keep the brake pressure so you don't have to press the brakes manually. And then if you want to deactivate it, just press the gas and it will drive like normal. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and have a nice day.